Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we done the database things. Okay, all the database tables we have created and made the relationship. Now let's continue the servlet part. So we already create the servlet class reg servlet. Now here, first I am going to add the annotation that is a web. Okay, so we already we made the form.xml. We already add the dependency as a servlet dependency, right? In our last video, right? In this video, let's continue the tutorial. You have to add the annotation, which is a web server. This is must. Okay, web. We have to write as web servlet, right? Web servlet. Okay, web servlet. What is the method we have to return? Reg. Okay, we have to return the reg. So okay, slash. Okay, where you are going to get it here this one registration form, you have to implement at the reg. So you have to create the reg here. Okay, so here this class you have to add the annotation. We have to web servlet. Add the Maven dependencies. For the problem here at this one, as some Tomcat annotation, this annotation we have to add it, right? So is there any problem with the annotation? Right now let's press Alt and Enter key to import the class. Right? Is there any problem with this? Now let's import the class. Right? Perfect. Here this is the class which we imported successfully. Okay. Inside this class, this annotation is resided. Right? After that, we have write the method which is a protected. Right? Protected void. Here write the do post. You have write the do post method. Do post method. You have write a do post method. Right? You have write a do post method. Here you have write the servlet http servlet request comma http servlet response. Okay, you write the http servlet request comma http servlet response. Copy this one, paste it here. This one here I'm going to call it as response. Here are response. Okay, you write response. Perfect. Okay, you write as response here. You have to automatically suggest the things you have to get here, right? In IntelliJ IDEA, throws, we have throw methods, servlet exception. So servlet exception, servlet exception, servlet exception. Right, perfect. Okay, we have right now. Let's try perfect. Now here we have to write the code. Right. Now here I'm going to retrieve the values. Okay, so we have to once you what the thing is, once you fill the form, we enter the name, mobile, email and password and attach the photo and click sub register button. It goes to here reg servlet here, right? We have to receive the value. So we have to open the MySQL workbench. This is the where we have created the databases. Okay, we have to import this one. We have to open it and we'll check it. This is our MySQL workbench. You have to connect the server. You have to type the root 123 username password. Let's open up. Right now here what you are going to do is here I'm going to go to what is my car sale, which is my database. Where's the car sale? Here this one. Car sales. Which table I have created? Are tables, cars, right? Now what you're going to, these are the tables we have created in our databases, right? So what you're going to do is we have to first I'm going to the values. We have to get the values. So here members. You have to write the members. What are the part? Here ID, name, email, password and these are the fields of the members, right? Now what I'm going to do is back to my project. I'm going to go to do the thing is we have to retrieve the values from the form first. String first is a name equal, you have to write registration request. Okay, what is the but registration form? Once you fill it, click register button, it goes to here this servlet, this method. Okay, so here to get the request, these requests are coming here, right? Dot request dot, right? Get parameters, we have to get it as a parameters, get parameters here. The get parameters, this method is there, right? So you will get the values as a name. What's the name? What's the name field? You have put it here, name. Okay, right? Right. Now what you're going to do is, yeah, I'm going to add the fields. So first fields is a name. So you have to name. The second one, you just copy this one, paste it below. The second one, which is a mobile. So we have to mobile. So mobile. Third, this copy and paste it here. Third one should be the thing is email. So email, you have to write email. You have to create the object email. So here this one should be the email. So this is a email, this is a password, it's a password. After the field, we have to set it as a another thing is what is the field, we have to set it as a photo, right? These are the field. Okay, these are the field, we have to set it correctly. Okay, so here the photo, right? This also we have to get the photo. We are not storing the photo in the database, we only the path only, the where you are storing the photo, the path where we are storing. Okay, so you have to get the photo as well. So you have to just copy it and paste it to your photo. Right, perfect. Now what you're going to do is, we have to establish a database connection, that is must. Okay, so we have to write the query. Okay, so before that what you're going to do is, these all the things we have to do it as a when you are fill the form. Okay, when you are fill the form, click submit button, it goes to the rich servlet. This servlet, you get the all the request name and mobile password, all thing you have to set it assigned to this particular variable. After that, we have to establish the database connection, right? Database connection, in order to establish the database connection, we have maintained with a separate file, right? Let me create that separate file. So here, this is the package we have created. Inside the package, we have created the file. Right. Now what you're going to do is, I'm going to create a class. So we have to select the package db, right click, new Java class. You have to make the class name as db. Right. Press enter key on your keyboard. The class has been created. Right. This is a database class. Okay. Your database is, which name is car. Say this is a database name. Right. Now what you're going, first we have to establish a database connection. So write as static public dot connection con equal null, right? But at the class connection alt press enter key to import the connection class as well here, Java SQL connection class, right? Perfect. Okay, now if you have any problems, you have to write here Java SQL, but write this one, so all the package will be there. Okay, no need to write the classes. So all the packages SQL connection package, if you asterisk mean all the SQL classes included, right? After that, what you're going to do is, we have to write the another things, static connections get con, you have to write throws, you have to write throws keyword, throws exceptions, open and close bracket. So you have to write if con equal null, open and close bracket, you have to write class for name, class dot for name, you have to write the driver implementation. So my driver is com dot a MySQL dot jdbc dot driver. You have to have the driver class. Driver. Right. We not yet add the driver yet. We will add the driver. Okay, no worry. After the string URL equal, right, jdbc MySQL, right, this one MySQL. You have to colon my database reside on where is a localhost. So where is my database reside on the localhost? Here it's a localhost. This one should be the localhost, right? Localhost machine may mean our single machine. This is the port where my database is running, right? This is a port where my but name is database car sale. You have to give the name properly. What's the name you are gave here? Car sale, right? That's the name, right? Okay. Now what you're going to do is you have to make the colon to close it, right? After the connection con equal driver manager dot get connection. You have to write URL comma root, so username password, you have to write root 123. That's it. After that you have to write return connection. That's it. You have to make the connection successfully, right, like this. Perfect. Right. Now what you're going to do is I'm going to add the MySQL connector. Now I'm going to add the MySQL dependencies. So let's go to the Google and type mbn MySQL connector. Right. You have to click on this first link, MySQL connector Java. Click on here. Here you can have a lot of versions. Right, I'm going to bring them one of the among these and click on this. Two. Right, I just get them here, copy it, the word, and paste it over here. After that I click here, make sure this one, then only it will be updated. So it will say cannot resolve the Tomcat annotation. What's the problem? Not add it. Let's check it. Right, let's run and check. Restart the server. Right, there's no problem at all, right? It's working, right? So what you're going to do is we have to add the dependencies, right? This is a dependency we have to add it, right? Now we have to go to the rest of the stuff. Okay, how to add the record into the database, right? So with this, all the things we have to cover about in my next video tutorial, right? Thank you for watching.